Some say that copy-paste is a programmer's best friend. But the result can also become that programmer's worst enemy when it comes to maintaining the code. In this chapter, we'll take a look at how the natural source code can be broken down into easily reusable modules, or objects as they are called in Natural. In our demo, you'll see how logic from a main program can be refactored into a reusable module, in this case a subprogram, and how we use a parameter area to interface it. In this example, I've created a Hello World main program that compresses the greeting and the variable name into a string that includes a timestamp. As greetings are often used in demos like this, I'd like to make this piece of code available to other programs. My approach would be to first create a module that contains the needed parameter definitions. So we'll copy the parameters to the clipboard, right-click New Parameter Area, give it a name, then paste the variables into the new module, and save. Now we'll go back to the program and copy the relevant source code to the clipboard. And right-click to create a subprogram to handle this advanced business logic. Give it a name, and paste in the logic. Because we created the parameter module, we can reuse that to define the parameters. We do this by adding a defined data parameter block. We add the keyword using to indicate that we're using a module. Then the name of the module, end define, and save the file. If we now go back to the program, we can replace the business logic with a call to the subprogram. We can use a wizard to create the call here. We do so by right-clicking, choosing Advanced Edit Features, and Insert Call, Include Statement. Then we'll browse for the subprogram we just created. Select it and click OK. Then the Call Nat statement loads the subprogram and all parameters are automatically created. The last thing we need to do is to reuse the parameter definitions from the parameter data area which we created. In case the parameter changes at some point, we usually simply need to recompile the modules. We'll save and run, and now we've made it much easier for new programs to greet the world. This is a full list of all object types in Natural. We'll look at more of them in later units. In our demo, you saw how source code from a main program can be refactored into a reusable module in the form of a subprogram. Subprograms are the single most important object type in many Natural installations today because they can be made available to external client platforms like Java, .NET, and the popular REST API interface with just a few clicks.